Hi, Jolene here, Ride the Wind e-bikes. If you could take a moment to like and subscribe, that would be awesome. Thank you for watching our videos. We do lots and yeah, thank you. Taubik tour, look. The suspension on this one is lovely. Some bikes are too stiff, but this one's got really excellent suspension. This is the new Taubik Tour, and this is such a welcomed bike to the lineup because we don't have a step-through fat tire. Now going. So, yeah, just arrived. And it's got all of the upgrades that they've been coming with. So the extra cushiony seat, the full colored screen with all the detail, the adjustable stem they can bring up and down. They put the throttle on the left-hand side. So now if you don't like that, we can change that for you. But yeah, usually it's on the right, but now it's on the left. And so your throttle and your up and down is there. I don't think it's bad at all, to be honest, but that can always be changed. So yeah, so this is your 26 by 4 fat tire. It has, I mean, it's got a strong frame on this. The welds are beautiful. I don't feel any, what's it called? I'm lost for words. Like the frame, you don't feel any compromise. Like you don't feel, now I haven't taken this on a hard, you know, forest trail or anything like that. But this is really nice. People feel a lot safer on a step through because if you ever have to dismount, you're not gonna hurt yourself as much. They come in beautiful colors. This frame is big. I gotta say, this now. The battery's underneath, so that is taking a lot of it. All the wires are integrated into the frame itself, and then the controller's in there. So all good stuff. If you want to get to the controller, you would take out the battery and then the plate behind it, and there you go. You got access there. But yeah, it's $25.99. It's a 15 amp hour, 48 volt, 500 watt motor, integrated front and rear lights, and it is such a welcomed option to the Taubik lineup and to Ride the Wind e-bike. So more reviews to come, but absolutely A1, 10 out of 10. Love it. That was weird. That was so weird. Thank you again for watching. Just again, if you could like and subscribe, we do lots of videos, lots of content, and we have a lot of fun reviews. Hey, Gwen on the set, as usual. And if you're thinking of buying, give us a call, check out our website, and we would love the opportunity to earn your business.